Now we will walk through creating a group. You may want to track the progress of, let's say, a set of students in your classroom. And in order to do that, you would want to create a group. Okay, so let's walk through how to do that. So I will have to go to this Groups tab at the top, and then I can click on either Create New Group or just go in All Groups and create a new group in there. But let's just bypass that extra step, and let's click on Create New Group. Okay. And so let's make this one demo group for features video. Okay. And I can put in a description if I wanted to. So you can put in whatever description you want. In this case, it might be, you can talk about what you might need your students to do. Maybe you can put instructions in here as well. If you needed your students to do something, you can put anything in here. It's just open. You don't have to put anything, but in case you do have instructions or things that you want your students to do, you would put it in here. The options you have are you can either select an activity from the menu. So you can see there are what we have legacy activities, which eventually may go away, but there are also certificate tracks and badges as well. So you can select one of these. Now, again, these options probably look different on your screen. So whatever options you have available are what you can choose. So let's say I chose, let's pick one of let's do this one. Introduction to Programming Lego Mindstorm CV3. Okay. And then whether or not I want to have a group joining policy, whether it's public or non-public. And what I mean by that is if it's public, then the student, you just have to give the group code or the group code join link to a student, and they could automatically join. Whereas a non-public group or a private group would require you to approve their ability to join. Okay, so I'm going to stick with public group. Another way that you would be able to add activities is if you chose the code method. So this is if you have a particular activity code. Okay, and you just put it in there. All right, and I'm going to create the group. All right, and now I have a group. You can see my name, the name of the group, and if I wanted to add a description, I would have. And I can see my group code here. And this is the join link or direct URL link that you would use to give out to students to join your group. All right, I can send messages, and I can see all the members that are in my group. Okay. On the right are the activities that I chose. So this one is the Introduction to Programming Lego Mindstorm CV3. And if I click on that, it's going to take me to that certificate track. Likewise, your students would be taken to this track as well. It would select this track as their current track. Okay, so now that I have my activities, I can also check on member progress, award activities, and artifacts, check the artifacts that are uploaded as well. Okay, these are premium features. Okay, so these aren't available to everyone. All right, so this is, if you don't see it, that is why. Okay.